Welcome back. There are so many toothbrush options out there and choosing right one is always difficult. So in today's video, I will guide you how to choose a right toothbrush for yourself and will also show you a right toothbrushing technique which is most effective and you can protect your gum and teeth. Stay tuned. Brushing technique. Make a 45-degree angle in between your gum line and your toothbrush. See, and use gentle circular motion. You will cover 3 tooth at a time and use 15 to 20 circular motion, and after you finish, just give a flick away from your gum. Same way you will clean front teeth. Make 45-degree angle and flick away. Same way clean inner surface of your teeth, holding at 45-degree angle and same circular motion and give a flick. Don't forget to brush your occlusal surface or your top of your tooth, biting surface of your tooth. Just give a simple scrub. Most neglected part is your back of your front teeth. So when you are brushing your upper teeth back, hold your toothbrush vertically and same circular motion. The same way when you are brushing lower back teeth, this way. Don't forget to brush your tongue also. Same circular motion on your tongue also. Most effective toothbrushing technique not only clean your teeth but also stimulate your gum and massage your gum as well. If you have gap in between your tooth and you are not able to clean these surfaces, you can use interdental brush. Why we need to place toothbrush at 45-degree angle? Because there is very little 2 to 3 mm sulcus present in between your teeth and gum, so you need to clean that also. And not only this, but your gum line also need to be cleaned. So this way you can also clean your gum line. Most commonly used manual toothbrush, which is easily available, more practical and easy to carry. So this part of your toothbrush is called head. What should be the size of the head? 1/2 inch wider and 1 inch tall. If you use broader toothbrush or if head size is very big, it will not effective because it will not able to reach your difficult area of your mouth. Toothbrushes are available in different shape: diamond shape, circular shape and rectangular shape, but diamond shaped head is most effective because it can reach back of your mouth. These are the bristles of your toothbrush. They are available in 3 types: soft, medium, hard. Always try to use soft bristle toothbrush because they are very gentle on your tooth. Never use hard bristle toothbrush because it can potentially wear away your enamel, which is the outermost layer of your tooth, and even cause gum recession. If your gum are healthy, you don't have any kind of sensitivity, then you can use medium bristle toothbrush. Twice a day brushing is sufficient. Don't brush more than that because it can harm your teeth. Don't brush immediately after eating because at that time your saliva is more acidic, and if you rub that saliva on your tooth, then there are more chances that you will damage your teeth. Don't put your toothbrush in washroom, and if you do, just cover your toothbrush with a cap. These days electrical toothbrush are also available in market. No doubt they are very efficient and easy to use. But if you are using a manual toothbrush with right brushing technique, then it's just fine. The difference between electrical toothbrush and a manual toothbrush is just like you are mopping your floor with a broom or using a vacuum cleaner. Your mop can leave some dust behind, but your vacuum cleaner suck everything up. Electrical toothbrush is a right choice if you have any kind of joint issues like arthritis, or if you are choosing a toothbrush for a child who is having difficulty in eye and hand coordination, then you can definitely choose electrical toothbrush over manual toothbrush. When you are using electrical toothbrush, you don't need to do the motion. You just will guide your toothbrush at 45-degree angle and then give a flick. I hope this video will help you to find a right toothbrush for yourself and will make your toothbrushing more effective. If you still have any question, you can ask in comment box, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.